My name is Manhana Ramadaya Limbutuhan, and today we're going to have a video tutorial. This video tutorial is about the properties of inequalities. Okay, so first property of inequalities is for all real numbers A and B, where A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. If A is greater than B, then B is less than A. And also, if B is less than A, then A is greater than B. So for example, A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 7. So since 9 is greater than 7, we can apply the first property. Therefore, if 9 is greater than 7, then 7 is less than 9. And also, since 7 is less than 9, then 9 is greater than 7. So, another property of inequalities is for all real numbers A, B, C, and D, if A is greater than B and C is greater than or equal to D, then A plus C is greater than B plus D. So, for example, A is equal to 6, B equals to 4, C is equal to 5, and D is equal to 5 also. In applying the second property, we get example, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5, and D is equal to 5. In applying the second property, which is if A is greater than B and C is greater than or equal to D, then A plus C is greater than B plus D. So since 6 is greater than 4 and 5 is greater than or equal to 5, then 6 plus 5 is greater than 4 plus 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 and is greater than 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So 11 is greater than 9. Okay, so for example, A is equal to 7, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 4. In applying the third property, if A is greater than B and C is greater than 0, then AC is greater than BC. So we get 7 is greater than 3 and 4 is greater than 0. Then 7 times 4 is greater than 3 times 4. So 7 times 4 is equal to 28 and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. So 28 is greater than 12. Okay, so another property of inequalities is for all real numbers A, B, and C, if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A is greater than C. So let's take for example, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 7, C is equal to 4. So in the given example, we can apply the fourth property. So the fourth property is if A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A is greater than C. So we get 10 is greater than 7 and 7 is greater than 4. Then 10 is greater than 4. Okay, so we have discussed 4 properties of inequalities. So these properties of inequalities can only be applied if and only if the real numbers are greater than 0. Thank you.